Hello friends, peace be upon you. We can easily change the color of any object, and it does not require much effort, as it is the original color of the car. And this we have color changed. And this color changing is done with a trick. Let's see what this trick is, and start the video. First you have to create a blank layer, and the blend mode of this layer we have to hue. After that, you have to take the brush tool. The hardness of the brush should be 0%. Opacity percentage should be 100, flow 100%, and smoothing should be 10%. Now pick any color of your choice, and start painting on your object. So what color is selected will start to be painted on the object. So in this way the color of the object will change. And this is a very easy trick. One thing is very important here. It works good for the subjects with less or no color in background. But this method has a disadvantage. Suppose, now you want to change the color of your car to blue. So, this layer has to be disabled or deleted. And on a new blank layer, you have to change your new desired color. So, why don't we do another thing for that? Delete the blank layer from here, and create a solid color layer here. And the blend mode of this solid color layer, if we hue it. So, the same color will be applied to the object. The advantage it has is this: that you can change its color up as you wish. You can put whatever color you want on your object. Can change up in any light color, or dark color. That is, it is up to you who wants to keep the color. Want to keep green, or keep cyan? Want to keep blue, or purple? Red is its default color. Suppose, we want to have green or yellow color here. So, in this way you can change the color. If you see that there is a slight effect of this color on the background, pick the brush tool, and select the layer masked thumbnail. And it is important that your foreground color is black. And wherever the effect of this color is, you can delete it from there. And even if you don't, a slight shade of this color doesn't look bad. So with this trick, we can change the color of the object. And this is a very easy trick. I hope you like this video about this trick. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.